Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Suzuki GSX-S1000. This is the naked upright superbike, 1000cc Suzuki GSX-R engine based on the 2005 to 2008 long stroke high torque machine. This thing's got all the latest technology, ABS brakes, traction control with 3 positions, equipped with adjustable levers, frame sliders, only 6,786 miles on this awesome superbike with a comfortable riding position. Come by, check it out, save thousands over the price of a new one. 2018 GSX-S1000, just $74.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.